You will love the features of this 2014 Porsche Cayman. This vehicle still has fewer than 80,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This striking 718 Cayman delivers thrilling supercar performance and seductive style. Its legendary motorsport spirit inspires and transforms, revealing the extraordinary inner you. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Exhilarating athleticism meets sensuous style in this 718 Cayman. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.